Hi everyone, Laurie here, and today we're going to talk about accounting for your private practice. I'm assuming you're starting out as a solo, so we will start there. One question I get and I hear about a lot is, why do I need QuickBooks? What's the value in that? You need QuickBooks because you need to reconcile your bank account and your credit cards once a month, and that's the only way you can be absolutely sure that the amounts you report to the IRS are correct. So I've talked to a lot of people and they tell me about some random ways they go about figuring out their income and expenses, and that's just not acceptable in today's world and with the ease that you can create a QuickBooks file. So it's about being accurate, and it's also about trying to be, having bulletproof books and audit-proof books that you can stand by under audit. So always assume you will be audited and that you will have to justify all expenses. Okay. Number 2, you need a separate business bank account for your practice, even if you are, no matter what. So make sure you're not running anything through personal, and if for any reason something is happening on the personal side, get it out of there. Go get a special credit card just for your practice and make sure you have a business bank account. No negotiating on that. You also need a separate credit card. So don't use a credit card for both your personal and your private practice. Now, if you can just have a credit card in your name, but only as long as you're using that specifically for your practice and not for anything else. You're going to need billing software. You cannot do your billing inside of QuickBooks, and you should not be emailing patients through normal email. So I am going to have a video about HIPAA compliance, but just get something like Simple Practice, Theranos, Therabill, you name it, get it. You're also going to need a filing system. So I say any bill or anything in paper that you can get in paper, get it. And I recommend filing using a binder system. I have videos on that. Check it out in the playlist. Second of all, digital. Again, you're going to need to make sure that if you're using cloud software, that it's HIPAA compliant. And then check out my video about how to name and categorize those files. But again, you need to make sure your cloud software is HIPAA compliant regarding anything with patient things. Regarding your regular income and expenses, you could save that anywhere as long as it doesn't have any patient names. All right, please reach out if you'd like to schedule a coaching call or QuickBooks setup.